All right, Jared, let her rip. Stop, stop, stop. Hey, YouTubers. So we are out in the middle of the field, Stevens Field again, and today we're moving a mold to make Porsche bodies. Porsche 356, right? Yeah, they're picking up what looks like a homemade frame.
Race car.
Race car. It's a race car. This is the fastest it's moved in decades.
Ow, those are thorns.
Yeah. So we're gonna move this body onto his trailer, same trailer we brought home, the Kafer van bug, and we're gonna build one of those someday. But that's not on my channel. That's gonna be on Stevens someday. But we want to get this back to his house, so I'm gonna let them do the work while I talk to you guys. You guys need help? I'll point where you're going. Go over there. Good job. Scratched it, you bought it.
I already bought it.
Exactly. So this is the field that we got my bug from. You'll probably remember it was right over here. But he's gained a couple of things. That guy over there, he gained that recently. Because remember, we had to cut down the trees, so the Kafer van was right there. There's the bug truck. And then this one we're calling Checkered Past. This was a beautiful car when it was built, and then somebody chopped it up. Okay, y'all know my friend Steven. He is the owner of this mold. So, quick, tell us what it's about, because it is sleet rain and it's terrible out here.
Yeah. So, somebody had a Porsche 356 kit car that they used to race, and it hit every wall and obstacle you could find around a track, and they rebuilt it completely different, but it's more or less a Porsche 356. Then another guy popped a mold off of it to duplicate it, and I ended up with the mold and the original fiberglass kit car body.
So we're looking at both the mold and the kit car.
Right, they're stacked.
They're stacked in, so I could make, the plan is you are going to make another kit car.
Right.
And what's it sit on top of?
Honda Civic.
A Honda Civic.
And half of a Beetle.
And half a Beetle. Interesting. Mm-hmm. So the wheelbase meets the Honda Civic.
Not at all.
Nice.
Honda Civic drivetrain will go in the middle.
Oh.
And then from the middle forward will be the bug chassis.
Oh, okay.
Volkswagen Beetle front axle, Honda Civic drivetrain, everything in the back. And,
cool.
Hopefully it's a coupe.
Cool.
Sliding rag top.
So our goal today is pick it up, put it on your trailer, and get it home.
Right.
Because eventually you want to work on this.
Right.
Sooner rather than later.
So ideally this needs to not be out in the elements.
And it has been for a while.
Yeah. So this is the passenger side.
So we need to get the, and it's what year is the Gia?
Oh,
like is it a late model or early model Gia roof?
I don't know that the roof's changed all that much. Oh yeah, by the way, the car's cut in half.
The underbody is cut in half.
Cut in half.
So the top shell is one piece.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks like the boot.
That is the mold
or the boot.
Deck lid.
Yep. The deck lid, the boot. Yeah, I can tell because vent
That's where the horsepower goes.
Yeah. And that's where we got to get out now, Jared. Y'all remember my son Jared? Got his own channel. I'll put it in the link in the notes. Oh, well that didn't work. Can you get it without, can you pick that up? Okay. I got it. Got it. Okay. Hang on. There we go. Nice. I was hoping I'd be able to spin that around.
Hopefully, the idea is to be able to use Gia glass, maybe.
So using Gia glass and a Gia roof for this. So we're going to have to pick up the top as one piece,
Right.
and the bottom is two.
So, let's see how kindly...
No, Jared.
I
don't.
know.
Oh, you're grabbing the bottom, too.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Is that hooked together? They're not hooked together.
no, I know, but like right here.
Lift on the outside, not the inside.
Oh, okay.
Gently.
Wait. Okay, I have a hole.
Hold it. There it is. It broke free. Hang on. Put it back down. The foliage has taken over. Oh, there we go.
Plants versus cars, and we're going to win.
Yep, definitely. Okay, try that again. I think we got it this time. Jared.
Yeah.
So, let's play this out real quick, because we can't just
If we just...
we can't just pick it up and go that way because he's there.
No.
If we
just
picked
go
it up and
you
slid
two-
the back end...
Well, I was going to say, if he picks it up on that corner, I pick it up on this corner, and you pick it up on the front, then we can all just walk up the hill.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I just don't want him seeing in the middle of the car. Gently. 1, 2, 3. Extremely light, but extremely fragile. You're stuck on a branch. You got it. Okay. Okay, right here's good.
So when it's just this, look how low it is.
Lowrider. I don't think the YouTubers can see it. Let's see. Oh yeah, they can see it. Yes. Oh wait. Pose. That's the thumbnail right there. That's gonna be the thumbnail. They're gonna want to know what the heck we're doing. Are we taking this? Yes. We gotta take it off. This is the actual car body. Yeah. This is one that's made from it. Oh. Okay.
Lighter than that.
So let's just grab this and go up the hill.
Watch where you're stepping.
I'm watching.
I'm gonna say no matter what. This is actually really cool looking.
Let's get this out of the way.
Was that a roof rack? Yeah, like a bus?
Okay.
It could be.
Or a gear?
It was... whatever.
This is like a really crappy sled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sled with no wood.
We'll put it in the Invader. Which I think it holds more water than it could float in.
That boat is cool.
That's my speedboat.
Yeah, that's gonna be a cool boat if you ever fix it up.
Someday.
That'll be a YouTube if you do it.
Would.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Where are we going with it? In the front. Let's go in the front.
Forward.
Let's straighten out. Straighten out.
And then I just back. Somebody said this was a blue and yellow drag race car where the driver sat in the middle, very far forward. If anybody knows history about this, a blue and yellow 356 drag car from the Midwest, comment below.
So we're gonna have to put that on last. These on first. Let's move whatever's on there right now.
Yeah, we can just square that up.
I don't even think I need, like, I'm afraid if I help, I'm gonna,
Like,
I understand.
Spot for us.
Yep. All the way. Because this is going to be really hard to strap down. Oh, that was a crap. Oh, it's on it. Sorry. Thank you. Didn't see it.
Okay. I mean, you can see this is going to need all kinds of...
Right, but I don't want to make it work. Oh! Oh, you're flipping. Sorry, we could have moved it over like 6 inches. I'm sorry.
Now it's the wall. Speaking of that, where'd the other one go? Oh, it's over there.
It's over there. We got it working on it.
You two got that one.
Oddly balanced.
Yeah, but I got a big strap, so I'm going to hold it. Ow! Ow!
It's kind of an extendable wheelbase too.
Okay.
So let's grab the roof.
It's completely grown through. Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it though?
That's gonna be cool, dude.
Oh, this thing's so cool.
Okay, let's get this thing put together.
Yeah.
Jared, why don't you lift the roof off so we can get out easier?
Oh, that would be great.
Just keep it dry.
So I like the roof back this far, but practically it's probably going to have to move forward some.
Well, I lined up the front two with the front two dots.
Right.
holes, So I wasn't
But
sure where it went.
Like the gauge pod would have to...
Put it here for now.
Oh, my foot fell asleep.
Do we want this on the floor inside like we did before?
Yeah, like what he was saying.
Yeah, just
I
upside
think
down
so.
and in the floor.
Yeah. So, yeah, if you flip it and then just hand it in. Yep. Who's gonna throw this roof away?
Who's?
Scott Johnson?
I don't know. I mean, I don't.
Ow!
Broke his foot.
I didn't drop it.
I dropped it on
I'm
my
just,
own foot.
I'm just blaming him. We're stuck.
Oh,
There it is.
yeah,
We'll do something with it, yeah.
well, or would it be better to flip it upside down or right back up?
It'll dig in that way, so yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. No. I'm going to pull it out my way again.
Okay.
There, now we can flip it. Okay, now put your corn. Yeah, you got it. And then pull it really forward. There you go.
That way
Now we
don't
can, yeah,
crush
now
it.
we can.
It's just this, like, I put that, I threw that on there when I picked it up.
So
And
that
the
was from the
magic
same guy this
happened.
came?
Yeah.
All right, Jared, let her rip. Stop.
Okay.
Oh, that was comedy gold, man. That was good.
All
That
of
was
a
good.
scooch.
So,
I think
yeah, well, it was all 4 breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Three.
We had
three
one
breaks.
good break. The rest of them street.
Yeah.
Like, it's officially snowing. Let's do this on the ball.
You want to guide us?
Yeah, I can. I'm not even getting on the car, the trailer.
There it is.
Nice. Dad, lift over your side just a bit. Lift it. Yeah, lift it just a bit and then push it. What am I trying to accomplish?
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, yeah. Sheath. Yeah. So it seats?
Yes.
It's not gonna.
I don't think it is.
I think it was seated on
the
this side
parts-
before that side, and that's. It's fine.
It's fine.
Did you want? How many pieces did you want in the back seat?
Well, we can put these.
I'm often sitting in the back seat.
I'm pretty sure they. No, I was just thinking in the.
Oh, in the back.
In the back of the truck, not the back.
Okay.
And that carpet that's in the back needs to go in that other truck.
What other truck? The other red truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here you go. Oh, wow. What is on that side?
Yeah.
Flip it upside down.
I'm just trying to get around this.
I just need to get over the trailer. Okay, so that's our side quest for the day, for the week. Y'all have hopefully your New Year's going good so far. And we'll see you on the next episode of What the frick is Jason doing? I'm soaked. Let's go home.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys later.